In this video, I'm going to show you how to use designed Photoshop templates for Amazon listing images using Adobe Photoshop. If you sell on Amazon, high-quality images are extremely important because they help increase clicks, improve conversions, and make your product look more professional. The good news is you don't have to design everything from scratch. Many sellers use pre-designed Photoshop templates that already include layouts, shadows, icons, and text areas. All you need to do is replace the placeholder with your own product. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can easily customize any template in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Amazon and Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open the Photoshop template. Launch Adobe Photoshop, then go to File, click Open, and select the PSD template file you downloaded or purchased. Once the template opens, you'll usually see a fully designed mockup already on the screen. These templates are built so you can easily swap out the example product with your own product image. To do that, we need to locate the Smart Object layer. On the right side of Photoshop, look at the Layers panel. Template designers normally label these layers something like place image, your design here, or product image. These layers contain smart objects which allow you to insert your own image while keeping the template effects and layout intact. Once you find the smart object layer, the next step is to edit it. Simply double-click on the smart object thumbnail in the Layers panel. When you double-click it, Photoshop will open a new document window. This new window is where you will place your actual product image. Inside this smart object file, you will usually see a placeholder image. All you need to do is replace that placeholder with your own product. You can drag and drop your product image into the canvas, resize it if needed, and position it correctly inside the frame. After your product image looks good, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to save the smart object. As soon as you save it, you can close that window and return to the main template file. Now you'll notice something really helpful. The template automatically updates and your product appears perfectly placed inside the mockup design. This is why smart objects are so powerful, because the shadows, lighting effects, and layout are already built into the template. Next, you can customize the text in the design. Select the type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, then click on any text layer in the template. You can edit titles, product features, benefit statements, or icon labels depending on how the template is designed. Adjust the wording to match your product listing and make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Once your design looks the way you want, the final step is exporting the image for Amazon. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. Select JPG as the file format because this is commonly used for Amazon listing images. For the image size, a good recommendation is 2000 by 2000 pixels. This square format works well for Amazon and also allows zoom functionality on the product page. After confirming the settings, click Export and save the file to your computer. One quick tip before you upload your images to Amazon. Amazon prefers square images with a 1:1 ratio, and for the main product image, they usually require a pure white background. Following these guidelines helps ensure your listing meets Amazon's image requirements. And that's how you use designed Photoshop templates to quickly create professional Amazon listing images. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop and Amazon seller tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.